This is the AutoCAD session that we have, and notice that we have created a menu right within the AutoCAD menu. It's called Alcove9. If you click on that menu, you'll be presented with these buttons right on the top bar. The first button is a login type button, and that one is definitely needed for security reasons, because a lot of documents within organizations sometimes are not permissible to be viewed by individuals outside that department or outside that project. Whatever your security model is that you have implemented within the company, we respect that security credentials, and we actually map that information upon indexing your data. So each document that is indexed, it has an associated security type permissions that is stored inside Alcove9 database. And as we do that, then we, if you log in, once you are logged in, then your credentials are verified, and once they are verified, then they are used to also find your information. If you're not permitted to look or look for or view that particular document or file, it won't even show up on the search panel. To start your search, you simply hit the search button, and you'll be presented with this search panel. It remembers what you have searched for, the different strings that you've used. You have a button that is available for search for AutoCAD only. If that's the case, you could check that button. But if you want to search across the board with different type documents, you'll obviously uncheck that. Once you type in what you're looking for and hit the search button, notice how quickly it came up with that information, because again, we index the data ahead of time. In this particular database that we have I would say a couple of thousand different documents for demo purposes. We have customers on that have over 1.5 million to 2 million documents that we have indexed. Performance within our solution, because we index the data, we can return results within an average about two seconds. Right? Some a little more, some a little less. This particular term, it looks like it have appeared in 5 different AutoCAD type drawings. Again, if I want to search beyond the AutoCAD or the .dwg file, if I uncheck that file, it performs the same search again, and now it found up to 223 documents, as it indicated on the bottom of the form down here. Let's go back to the AutoCAD drawings for a second. If you highlight one of the models right away, you'll see the thumbnail that I talked about. You can preview the model in the DWF viewer or design review type of viewer. This panel right underneath the thumbnail is very configurable to whatever attributes you want to show for that particular file or type of file. And all these fields, all these attributes will be searchable. So if I click on it, it substitutes that term right up there and conducts the search one more time. So any of those terms are very searchable.